it great? See the grass and the tracks and the engine. There is a driver. There's two drivers there. There's a driver. You see? Give the driver a wave. Give a wave to the driver. Give a wave to the driver. Oh, we're coming down to slowing down. Slowing down. Ah. Here we are at the station again. Oh, wasn't that great? At the station again. Thank you. There you go. Wow, was that fantastic? Come on, look. That was good, wasn't it? Wasn't that great? Hey, was that lovely? Oh. Was that lovely? So, hello Mummy, did you enjoy that? So, hello Mummy, did you enjoy the train?
The train.
Yeah. Well, that's good. That's good.